I would like to reserve a room for two, please.
Before we proceed with the reservation process, may I know who is the line?
I'm Jeremy Pamaong.
Could you spell your first name for me, please?
Sure. Gerramae.
Thank you for that information, Miss. Which date you would like to make your reservation?
I'm planning to go in Cebu on the 11th on May until 13th. Do you have any vacancies?
Miss Pamaong, let me check first the system. Oh yes, we have several rooms available for this particular day. May I know what type of room, Miss Pamaong, would you like to stay?
Do you have any suite room?
I'm sorry to inform you, Miss, but all our suite rooms have been booked for those days. How about deluxe room instead? We can transfer you when there is availability.
Okay, that's fine.
Perhaps you did know that we have new rooms rate. Would you like to know, Miss Pamaong?
Yes, please. Tell me the price so I can make a decision.
For a deluxe room, we have 7,500 per room per night, Miss Pamaong.
That's a reasonable price.
As for the room, do you prefer the smoking or non-smoking?
Non-smoking, please.
Non-smoking. Now, is a queen size bed okay?
A queen sounds great.
Would you prefer a room with a view of the Cebu Lake?
If that type of room is available, I would love to book that.
Sounds great. Would you like to confirm your reservation now, Miss?
Yes, I would like to confirm the reservation.
Can I have the name of the guest staying in the hotel?
Mr. and Mrs. Pamaong.
Now, all I need to know is your contact number.
Sure. 0987654321.
Let me repeat that. 0987-65-4021. How will the bill be settled?
Do you accept payment via credit card?
Yes, miss. All I need is your credit card information to receive the room for you. What type of card is it?
Visa. The number is 0123456789.
And what is the name of the card holder?
It's Miss Jeremy Pamaong.
Miss Pamaong, your reservation has been for the 11th to 13th of March for the deluxe room with a queen size bed. And with a view of the Cebu Lake, your bill will be settled via Visa amounting to 15,000. Check in at 2 o'clock. Is that correct, Miss Pamaong?
Yes, it's correct.
We would like to inform you about 6 o'clock policy. Please be advised that you have check-in not later than 6 p.m. Otherwise, the hotel receives the right to give the room to the requested client.
Noted. Thank you for informing.
Great. Is there anything else I can do for you, Miss Pamaong?
No, thank you. That would be all.
Thank you, Miss, for calling ABC Hotel. We'll see you in March. Have a nice day.